Houston police have reinstated the previous policy on how officers handle immigration warrants during detentions. The move follows a heated political fight between the Houston City Council and Governor Greg Abbott after the city tried to change the rule. Matt Dowtry walks us through the guidelines.
The directive to Houston police officers closes the chapter on weeks of contentious debates and back and forth among Houstonians, advocates, and politicians. Earlier this month, Governor Greg Abbott pulled more than $100 million in public safety grant funding from the state after the city passed an ordinance limiting cooperation between police and immigration and customs enforcement agents. After yesterday's amended ordinance passed, the Houston Police Officers Union says the policy for handling non-citizens with ICE detainers reverted to what had been in place for decades before it was changed.
The only people that we would have an issue with would be those that have an outstanding warrant, and 99% of the population doesn't have one.
Union President Douglas Griffith says if a non-U.S. citizen is detained by police, their name is run to see if they have a warrant from ICE. If they do, police contact ICE. ICE authorities decide if they will take custody of the person or leave them with police. Last year, Griffith says ICE took custody of 74 individuals with ICE warrants in police custody and declined to accept 98 others. Tonight, the ACLU tells us the directive issued to police is unconstitutional and sent us this statement. Quote, the new directive invites Houston police to detain people unconstitutionally for ICE. Officers are now directed to violate Houstonians' Fourth Amendment rights, which protects against illegal searches and seizures as law enforcement collaborates with ICE.
There's no reason for the immigrant community to fear being stopped by police. Again, if they don't have an ICE detainer, and they're going to know if they do, because that means they either missed a court date or they did something else, and that would be the only reason they should have any fear of HPD.
Now, Austin also received a letter from the governor urging leaders to reverse APD's new policy on ICE enforcement. The governor's office threatened to revoke $2.5 million in public safety grants. The initial deadline for the city to take action was yesterday, but the governor's office agreed to extend the deadline. City leaders say they hope to reach a resolution in the coming days.